fucking huge fucking sausage hand. You think it's gonna knock me out? You hit me in the face!
His ass is hanging out.
What the fuck is this?
I was hoping for a bitch slap.
Shorts.
What the fuck is this? Slap him. Slap him hard.
That was it? Hit me harder. Both hands. Do it both hands. Close. That was close. Close.
Okay, Sheila do it.
Nah. Whoa! Come on now, we're not doing that. We're just hitting the face. Come on.
It's funnier though.
You hit my chin again. What is with my chin? What does everybody hit my chin? Seriously?
Your chin's
Hit me
bigger.
in the face!
Dude, your chin's bigger than your head.
Well, hit me in the face. The cheek is bigger than the damn chin.
Dude, your dad hit harder than anybody
Oh,
can
you
possibly
think?
hit.
Yeah, fuck yeah, he did. He broke my fucking ear and my nose.
I was there when he busted his hand over your face.
I know. Come on now, do it harder. That actually feels good. That actually feels good. Wow, my titties!
Uh-oh.
Wow! Okay! I didn't say nothing about the balls. Come on now. I didn't say nothing about the balls. Come on.
This is a long time coming.
Come on.
I did not touch his
Aim for the
balls.
face. Come on.
That's not even fun.
Yeah, it is.
The balls are much funner.
Oh!
Not fair. Not fair.
All I heard was balls weren't much funner, so I said
I know, I
funner.
said the face is funner, you asshole!
My bad. My bad. Oh shit.
Oh, come on now. That's my phone.
That was all the
Oh, shit. Oh, my
my
balls.
cigarettes, you dick shit.
Oh.
Don't worry, I got the miniature ball.
Oh.
I got the